You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this French painter. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting but often confusing names from arts, names of famous painters, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. In French it is said as Henri de Toulouse Lautrec. Henri de Toulouse Lautrec. Henri de Toulouse Lautrec. In English you could say it as Henri, silent H, Henri de Toulouse Lautrec. Henri de Toulouse Lautrec. From French, Henri de Toulouse Lautrec. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thanks for your support. More videos here on how to pronounce more names of famous painters that many get wrong. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.